How much money do you need to become a Rothschild in the metaverse? So, if you think it is impossible, leave your doubts behind, as I'm ready to opposite. So, 240 days and there you have it. SIDUS Bank has been officially launched. Well, does this mean that we can finally cash out our wealth from SIDUS heroes? Well, hold your horses, buddy, because there are some pitfalls. So, we're talking about the latest addition to the SIDUS metaverse, the Bank Module. But don't get excited just yet because they're taking baby steps with this launch to make sure that everything runs smoothly. Starting on March 23, they have launched the first stage of SIDUS Bank, which is essentially a testing phase. I think it's like when you try to make pancakes for the first time and you only make a small batch to avoid any major catastrophes. So in this reduced functionality module, you'll only be able to withdraw funds only in SIDUS tokens. But hey, it's better than nothing, right? The CEO of SIDUS Heroes explained in detail how the banking module will work and other crucial upcoming aspects of the game during the recent AMA session. And yes, we already have a recap on our channel. Just check it out. Okay, now before you start dreaming of making it rain SIDUS tokens, there is a catch. Well, basically, withdrawals are only available to those with a bank teller license. Well, sorry, non-licensed holders, you'll only have to stick to robbing virtual banks for now. However, don't worry, the team is working hard to make sure that this bank module is safe, secure, and free from any potential errors and abuses. I think they want to make sure that your virtual money is just as safe as your real money, or as safe as it can be in a metaverse. That's why I think that once they've checked and even double-checked everything, they'll start adding new financial instruments based on your abilities as a player. Apparently, Senate withdrawals are now really far away, but who knows? The possibilities are endless here. So stay tuned, heroes. The bank module is here, and we're excited to see how it will change the game, like literally. So, the bank module is conducted in stages, and we're currently in stage 1. Okay, and let's get one thing straight, because withdrawals are strictly for bank teller license holders only. To withdraw funds from the metaverse directly to Layer 1 in your wallet, you just must meet certain requirements. First, you need to own a bank teller license. Next, please a legendary hero assigned with the bank teller license, and at least one legendary replicant available to be sent to work as a bank teller. Maybe in future updates, users will be able to assign bank teller license to common or epic heroes as well. Well, the more the merrier, right? These licenses are rare and will only be emitted once a year in a special metaverse event like staking. And according to the results of the first emission, only 86 licenses were distributed to 82 users. Well, talk about exclusivity here. But once you have a bank teller license, it is yours forever, assigned to your main hero. And just like other licenses, they cannot be taken away. So if you decide to sell your hero or license, you'll have to sell them both together. But hey, if you're feeling generous, you can always give your hero a retirement package and sell your license separately on the marketplace. Well, if that's implemented later. Okay, let's get down to business. So, withdrawals. In the first stage, users will be able to withdraw only SIDUS tokens with the minimum withdrawal amount of $20. And withdrawals will take time, as each bank teller can only process a certain number of tokens in the dollar equivalent per hour. So in the first stage, all replicants will be working at the same speed, meaning $3 per hour. But don't worry, the SIDUS team be tweaking the numbers based on the results of the test period. And yeah, let's not forget about the bank commission. It's set at 2%. But here's the good news. If you're a bank co-owner who invested in the module, you'll get 50% of the bank's commission from every transaction. Well, judge yourself. As the metaverse grows, the more games are added, so more bank branches will open, meaning your royalty will only get bigger. Cha-ching! So there you have it, heroes. That's the update on the bank module in the SIDUS Heroes metaverse. So keep grinding and stacking those tokens, and who knows, well, maybe you'll be the next bank teller license holder. Now, let's take a closer look at the bank teller feature and show you how to withdraw funds from the game. So, before you can become a master of the bank teller feature, you need to become a bank teller. And yeah, it is as easy as pie. In the main hero selection window, choose your legendary hero that can be assigned as the main hero, and then click confirm. If you don't have any suitable heroes, you can always check out the marketplace and buy the necessary ones. And yeah, it is that simple. Now that you have your main hero selected, it's time to send a replicant to work. Just click on the Assign Worker button and select the replicant you want to send. However, be warned, during the bank teller duty, the replicant will be blocked from any other activity. After sending a replicant to work, you will see the current status of your order, like withdrawal, break, processing, claim, or cancel. And when making a withdrawal order, the player needs to fill out the form with the minimum amount, and the bank commission is automatically calculated at 2%. But don't worry if you don't have enough funds, you just won't be able to start withdrawal. But hey, you can enter an amount bigger than the minimum threshold, but not more than your current in-game balance. Once you press the confirm button, the amount of SIDUS tokens will be withdrawn from your in-game balance to an escrow account, where it will remain until the withdrawal is completed. But don't worry, funds are SAFU. After the processing is completed, the SIDUS tokens become available for the claim. And in the claim window, all the necessary information will be provided, including the total amount, how much gas is needed, and its average cost in the network, and also how much it will take from the claimed amount. And yeah, that's it, folks. You are now a master of the bank teller feature in the SIDUS Heroes metaverse. Remember, with the great power comes great responsibility, so use it wisely. There is an alternative way to spend your SIDUS tokens wisely. Purchase newly added armor from the marketplace. Definitely, it gives such a massive boost, so you'll be able to dominate your opponents in every single battle. And to learn more about armor, just free to watch this guide right over there. You may have already figured out that to become a Rothschild in the metaverse, well, you just need to become a banker in SIDUS Heroes. But yeah, how much money is required for this adventure? Let's count. So, the minimum price of Legendary Genesis NFT is 1.4 ETH, or $2,500. Plus, you need to stake at least 500,000 SIDUS tokens to get into the top 82, which is another $900. And lastly, you need Legendary Replicant, the chance of getting which is like 3%. So let's say you need another 30 attempts on average to replicate it. So one replicant costs 8,000 SIDUS tokens and 50 genetic stimulants. Multiply it by x30 and get 240,000 SIDUS tokens, which equals $430 and 1,500 GS, so like 0.07 per stimulant, which is $105. And so up to this date, you would need to spend around $4,000 to become a banker and be able to withdraw $2,200 in SIDUS per month. Well, of course, SIDUS Bank is in testing phase, and by the next staking and teller licenses, things may change like drastically. I think you'll be able to buy the ready-to-go NFT right from the marketplace and won't need legendary replicants, so the overall sum will reduce. Anyway, SIDUS Bank is here, and well, if you missed everything in this video, here's a short list recap for a successful withdrawal. Well, take all the time you want to learn it all. As usual, thanks for watching and see you soon.